Hi guys, this is Cynthia with Macintosh Travels, and I am super excited to announce to you the unboxing box for Enchant Christmas, and we're going tomorrow on opening night, and it's going to be at Tropicana Field in St. Petersburg. It starts tomorrow and it goes all the way through December the 29th, and there's going to be such things as a light maze, Santa, an ice skating trail, and you can see everything that's included with your ticket prices and everything you would need to know on enchantchristmas.com. So let's get started. All right, here we go. I'm excited. Woohoo! All right. Here we go. And I apologize ahead of time if you hear a bird or a dog. I have a bird or a dog. So, all right, here we go. I'm gonna put this down because it's really heavy. So, and I'm already in the Christmas spirit, so as you can see, I have some friends behind me, my decorations, and my shirt. See? Merry Christmas. All right. Cool. Ooh. This looks like a really nice box. Enchant the Great Search. Check that out. It's really nice and well packaged, too. All right. Here we go. Let's see. Okay, this is what it says. Put my glasses on. It says, unwrap a little Christmas, then spread the joy far and wide. Let the magic of the season begin. Tucked inside are 2 decadent hot chocolate stir sticks, a dancing holiday scented candle. Yay, I love candles. A mini retrogram board to write your festive wishes. Let's see, an exclusive ornament. Ooh, nice. An advent calendar, and this year's signature storybook that's sure to warm the hearts of readers young and old. We can't wait to see you soon. Enchant. Awesome. All right, so here, these are the hot chocolate stirrers. Check out those big old chocolate cubes. Whew, those are big. All right, can't wait to use those. Unless my boys get to it first. It is chocolate after all. All right, let me take these off. All right, the next thing is the candle. Oh, it smells so good. It is sugar cookie. Love it. I love candles. Just don't leave one unattended, please. All right, the next thing is we got the advent calendar because I see the numbers. There you go. Look at that. You see that? Oh, it looks like there's pieces in there. So, chocolate pieces. Look at that. Like little chocolate wafers. Of course, these are not going to last through December 25th. Again, with 2 boys and myself. Just saying. All right. Oh, good. All right. I better put those away. All right. Next is, it looks like the book. So it is Enchant the Great Search. It's a really nice book. I love the pictures. It's great quality. Wow. Okay, let me show you. Here's one of the pictures. Isn't that pretty? So guys, if you have young children, this would be perfect to read to them, or older children can read themselves. Look at that. See? It's really cute. I don't know if I can show you like this, but it's got a lot of pages, guys. So it's nice. All right. Next. This is fun. Oh, okay, I think this is the ornament. All right, yep. It looks like a gold medal. And it says, The Great Search, Enchant 2019. You see that? Looks nice. And it's got the ribbon on the back. But I can't see the back without opening it, so let's see. Ooh, it's pretty. Look at the deer. So pretty. That's going to shine nicely on our tree. And by the way, we're putting our tree up this weekend actually. All right, and I think this is the last thing. Yep, and it comes in its own little pouch. Let's see. And this must be the sign they were talking about. Let's see. Yep, it is. All right, so we got all the letters and the numbers right here, and you can put these to make a sign on these lines right here. It's nice and soft too, right here. And that's it, guys. So I hope you really enjoyed this unboxing from Enchant Christmas. Thank you, Enchant Christmas. And make sure you check it out. Go to enchantchristmas.com for all the details. And that's it. I can't wait to go tomorrow with my family. All right. Bye. Have a great weekend. Bye.